Here are Hope and Leroy's puppies at 5 weeks. What are you doing? Huh? What? What you doing, Henri? This is Jack. And here's Juliet. All right. And then here's Rose chewing on my sock. Yes, it was Rose. And here's, I think Romeo. Yeah. Here's Romeo. What are you doing? Here is, I think this is Hershey. Yes, Hershey, I think. Yes. You really like my sock, don't you? Yeah. This too. It's Jack and Hershey. Is he kidding you? Was he kidding you? Yes. It's Jack and Reese. And here is, I think, Romeo. Yes. Yes. Where's Romeo? Or, yeah, Romeo. What you doing? What are you doing? You kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? What you doing? Here's Bo. Hi, little buddy. What you doing? Oops. What you doing, huh? And Rose. Hershey. There's Reese. Is that your spot? Is that your spot? Is that your spot? Here is Belle. I put Belle. What you doing? What you doing? Hershey. I getting you? There's Juliet and Reese and Jack. What you doing, mister? And just go behind me. What are you doing, Reese? She's gonna pee. What'd you find? Huh? What'd you find? This is Belle and Bo and Romeo. There's Jack and Hershey and Reese and that. Learning to use the potty box furniture. That's Juliet. There's Rose. You like socks? Chewing on piggies? Mama? Is that what you're doing? Chewing on sockies? Oh, goodness. Ooh.